Hello students, I am Nikhil Garg, working as Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department at Engineering College Bikaner. Today, I am here to introduce you to the subject of solid and hazardous waste management. Management of solid waste is a challenge for urban local bodies, scientists, as well as policymakers. Therefore, this course has been designed to have a holistic comprehension of solid waste, including municipal solid waste, biomedical waste, e-waste, plastic waste, radioactive waste, fly ash, construction and demolition waste, etc. In this course, we would learn what is waste, sources, classification, and characteristics, both physical as well as chemical of waste. In the next section, we would study about the composition of waste for both Indian scenario as well as its variation in developed countries like USA. The factors affecting this variation will also be discussed. Later, the collection and transportation management of waste will be discussed in detail. The next section will cover the various treatment and disposal techniques like composting, vermicomposting, biogas production, thermal treatment, pyrolysis, gasification, and biological treatment will be covered. The ultimate methods of solid waste disposal, including sanitary landfilling and insulation, will also be covered. In the last section, we will discuss about latest guidelines issued by Government of India in 2016 for waste management. This will cover the legal framework related to different types of waste. I hope this e-course will enhance your understanding of the subject, and after the completion of the course, you will treat waste as a resource. Thank you.